Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys. I just woke up, as you can see outside. Uh, it's manje. It's in the morning, so yeah, man. I came across something on the internet. Because I have been hearing this from different bloggers about the friendship of DJ Zitle and Pearl Tusi. Um, And honestly speaking, the person who's always seemed like they've been speaking, it was Uprol Choose. DJ Zintle, I've never seen her talking or saying anything regarding that had to do with their friendship with her and Pearl Tuesday, because I remember I even saw them on that show Somizi had, where he would cook and invite celebrities and stuff like that. When I saw them, I was like, wow, these guys are friends and stuff like that. And by the way, I also had friends at the time that I thought, Kuti, these are my ride or die friends and stuff like that. And yeah, man. And unfortunately, Nabi, personally, with my own journey with friendships and friends and stuff like that, I got to learn the hard way. Good, hey, man. Guma friendships and stuff like that. There are these type of people. There are these type of people, and there are these type of people. So unfortunately, with me, I had to filter out and strain and get rid of all these people that I end up seeing. But at first, honestly speaking, I did not, or they would be doing all these things, but I never had or noticed. You understand? I don't know if it was because I loved them at the time or what was going on, Jay. But Uguti, another thing that I do also feel like I was young. I also loved them. You understand? Yeah, and them having ill intentions towards me, unfortunately, was something that I had never expected to happen on J. Yeah. So Nami, as we went along, I had to delete. Now my circle of friends is very small. Oh, it's very small. It's like no zero no ubala lapha olapha kule number balai. It's very small. I understand that. So with these two, I want to see. It seems like after. Oh, and then after I saw them on that Somizi show, I would see them every now and then on social media and stuff like that. But vele ke, when we started seeing Musli, yeah, Musli, the new age, my brr, that's when we started seeing these two. Actually, even when Lerato was also in the friendship thing, Yabo. I don't know if she's still there or not, but that's when you started to sing with omunye ngathi once into it has two people iba mnandi, but ngena abanye abantu, that's when it starts getting or taking a left or what, you understand? So yeah, I've been seeing Upel Tusashem. She's the one who's been speaking about this friendship and stuff like that, of which partially on my side it makes me feel like, could it be her who did Zidla wrong? Because Zidla hasn't really said anything about this friendship, or I haven't seen anything or anything that she said addressing the friendship here with what happened, that they're still sisters or friends and wada. Yes, Upel Tusida was, because she was speaking to DJ Fresh about this thing, and she would see their lives have evolved and stuff like that, and Uzitla is married now and has a child, but I don't think any of that is supposed to stop y'all's friendship. Aren't you almost in the same that's in field, like we are entertainment? Don't you all get to meet each other every now and then? Mina, I don't believe lento ukuthi just because someone is married now with French. Yes, there will be those things ukuthi okay now angasakwazi ukuphuma as we used to or whatever. But in terms of us being friends, no, something did happen. I do feel like something happened, and I feel like Upreltus is the one who could have done something to DJ Zit, and DJ Zit is just like ignoring it and stuff like that. Because now I'm also like that. If you do something wrong to me, I will cut you out. You understand? It's a pity I'm not famous and it's not all over the place. But if I was, everyone would have known. So, yeah, it's sad, Jim. Yeah. Or if nothing happened, it's sad. The fact that you are the only one who's putting in effort and uzama ukwenza izinto zibe right. Guys, ezinye izinto must learn to accept no matter how painful they might be or it'll be for you to move on without that particular person. But at the end of the day, you'll have to do that if it's necessary. Like, I wouldn't put myself through this. I wouldn't. If I wouldn't I've never done my friends wrong. So I think if I was in a situation like this, and maybe let's say not even this one, I did something wrong, I was going to apologize once, and then if I see good Lomuto law is just paying me dust, I kick rocks. Things will move on in. Things will move on with my life, because the last thing I'm going to do is to also embarrass myself. And yeah, yes, she did mention something about Vele as siblings, there are those types of arguments and whatever. And then she mentioned something of she's had a sister where they didn't speak for almost 6 months, half a year or something like that, but they were still in good terms. Yeah, I understand. So, hey, we don't know, man. We don't know. So yeah, man. Wish them the best. Ama empires abababhisi ngabawakhaya. Because it's funny how you no longer see uDJ Zinhle with uPreltusi, but you see DJ Zinhle with others. You understand? Of which that means something did happen. Unfortunately, no one's going to come out and say it. The only thing about Zayenzi hiyo le yenze uPreltusi. Ufuna khonzo yenze uPreltusi say one. Yo, it's on. Cut my friendships with you guys. Niyo kuyi-forced. If abantu nibona ukuthi they don't care about you, just take a hike, bab. Rest. Yeah. So that's my message to you regarding this Preltusi and DJ Zinhle thing. I'll just say allegedly, but yeah, it is what it is. Hey. Ah.